Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Clone Hero on PC. First, you'll need to download the game. Clone Hero is a fantastic, free rhythm game that brings the Guitar Hero experience to your computer. Head over to the official website, Clone Hero.net, and grab the latest version for your operating system. Once downloaded, simply extract the compressed file to a location of your choice on your PC. This process usually takes just a few moments. Now that you have the game files, it's time for the initial setup. Double-click the Clone Hero executable to launch the game. Upon starting, you'll need to press Start and then select a profile. If you're using a keyboard, Enter is usually Start, and the key is your green fret button. Use your strum bar or arrow keys to move through options and the green button to confirm your choices. To truly enjoy Clone Hero, you'll want to add custom songs. Many community sites, such as Chorus or Custom Songs Central, offer thousands of tracks. Download these song packs, extract them, and then place each individual song's folder into the songs folder inside your Clone Hero installation. For controllers, you can use a keyboard, a standard gamepad, or a compatible 5-fret guitar controller for an authentic experience. With your songs added, launch Clone Hero and navigate to the Settings menu. Select Scan Songs to integrate your new tracks into the game's library. Next, head to the Controls menu to customize your button mappings for your chosen controller. If you're using a gamepad or keyboard, enabling gamepad mode or all taps can make playing much easier by removing the need to strum. Now you're ready to rock out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.